looking at some beard dye here by Godefroy's. It is Barber's Choice Dark Brown. We're going to go ahead and dye the beard because as I'm looking in this camera, it's a little gray. But we're going to take a look at this and see how well it works. So let's check out what's inside the box first. Alright, so inside the box we have a couple stirring cups. We have 3 different, looks like colored pills in here that are already predetermined for the amount. So each pill is, each time you want to dye your beard, you kind of grab one, put it in the canister, mix it up, and you have a little spatula on the inside. Here's a better view, spatula. You have your cream developer, and you have a nice little application brush. This is sweet. You also have a card telling you how to do a patch test and another color capsule. This way you can do the patch test. One of these capsules here of hair color is equivalent to one of these clear cups of developer. So if one of these gets mixed into here, you're gonna put 1 cup of developer in there to mix them up. Alright, 8 minutes is up. Time to go wash this out. Alright guys, so this is how it came out. I must say it came out super solid. So for 8 minutes, this was definitely a very good cover. I have no grays in there whatsoever. And my shape up's a little dark because obviously it gets on your skin, stains it a little bit. But when that lifts up, you will see all the hairs are nice and covered. So I gotta say that worked out very good. Either way, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I have more videos coming all the way for you very, very soon. Peace out.